Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. I'm here in the suburbs at Ann and Peter's house with a brand new installation of a Pacific Energy wood heater. Now, when Ann and Peter came to us, there were two major concerns they wanted to raise with us and to help them find a solution for their heater for their home. The first request was they wanted to find a wood heater that was going to burn the least amount of wood possible. What we call is a high efficient wood heater. Now, the reason they wanted that is, well, there's not a big block of land here, and the wood you need to buy for this wood heater, they needed to store somewhere. This wood heater here, this is the Pacific Energy Neo range of wood heaters. These are rated the most efficient wood heaters on the market, and this wood heater will burn over 2 tons less a year than most of the other competitors on the market, which means not only they don't have to store as much wood on the block of land, but more importantly, it's going to save over $1,000 a year in the running cost of this particular heater. Now, the second request, which is a really good request, was about noise. Where this house is situated, we have a major freeway on one side and we have a railway line on the other side. So the noise being transferred in this house is huge. And the last thing they wanted to do is have a rattling flue with all that noise coming down. So what we've installed with this wood heater is the Room Seal Flue Kit by Pivot Stove and Heating. Now, this flue kit is fully insulated. This flue is 90% quieter than your standard triple skin flue kit. So right now, as the train passes it, we time that fantastically. There's no noise being echoed down through the flue. So on those windy nights, freeway noise, you're getting no noise coming into the house by the flue. So if you're in the inner suburbs, you go, oh, I always wanted a wood heater, and can I get one installed? Absolutely. Check out the Pacific Energy range of wood heaters. They're going to save you money on the wood you're going to not have to buy, but definitely check out the Flue. The insulated room seal flue kit is going to kill the noise to make the house beautiful, warm and quiet all winter long.